How to fix ESPN app not working. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your ESPN application is not working, firstly check that your application is not undergoing under an update. This is because when your application is going under an update, your app will simply not work or launch. If that is not the case, there might be a bug or the glitch issue. To solve it, tap Open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps. Tap on All apps. Tap on the search icon and search for ESPN. In here, force stop your application, head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. After which you can head back. While you are in your phone settings, navigate to System Update. Ensure that the system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the applications. Last but not the least, make sure that you're not connected to a VPN connection. While talking about networks, also check that your Wi-Fi is acting fine. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you can switch into a better connection or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and turn it back off. By this way, you'll be able to fix your application not working. And it's the wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.